The next choir to perform is the concert chorale from Young Men's Preparatory Academy. The director is Gamaliel Florentin, and their accompanist is Kevin Desir. Their program will include Shoshone Love Song by Roger Emerson and New River Train by Donald Moore. Please welcome the Young Men's Preparatory Academy concert chorale with a round of applause.
Carry me home again.